share, and subscribe for more videos.
Hello folks, how we doing? Welcome to another episode of Rob's Engine Repairs. So today we have got a Makita bhx2500. It's a lovely little 4-stroke machine. Let's we'll take the pipe off. Oh. There we go, take the pipe off so we can get access to this lovely looking machine. Right, pardon me. So first thing I want to do with this is I want to check the oil. So let's check and make sure it's got oil in. Which that is a very, very, very weird dipstick. But, okay. But yeah, it's registering it's got oil in, so it's coming because you can't get it started. So let's see what we can do, eh, folks? So what we're going to do first of all, switch is on and everything, that's stop, beautiful. So first thing, we'll take this plug out. I want to make sure everything's alright in there. Pardon me. Oh, that's tight, that is. Oh my God. Wow, that's it. Don't want to for it that tight, right? So we have a look at this plug, and it's full of crap, that. You see that? It's just full of crap. So let's try and blow that out. And I'm gonna give it a few pulls. But I'm gonna do it upside down. Get some of that crap out of that barrel, which it has. That'll do. Right, folks, let's see if it'll spark, eh? Touch that there. Put it on. Right, that's got a lovely blue spark, that. So let's pour a bit of go-go juice down it and if this fires up on this with this plug, it tells me it's a fuel issue. Or it might be neither. It might just be user error. Nah, we don't do that, do we? We don't do user error. It's in a weird place, that is. Right, let's give it a bit of gas. Give it a bit of throttle. Pull that back. See what it's saying. Right. So folks, it's just run off that. So now that to me obviously seems carb issue. Now that the fuel lines on that look brand spanking new. So before I go any further, has it got fuel in it? Yeah. And it's fresh. So, choke up, take the throttle off. Let's give it a bit of throttle. Right, let me do some digging. So, positive screwdriver, take the air filter off, cover the air filter, and I can't for the life of me think why it's got two in there. There you go. Right, so choke up is full choke. So let's have a look again. Now that should start that. That should have primed. That should have gone. Let's give it a bit more. Nah. Let's turn that tick over screw up with it. Unbelievable. So, turn that choke off now. didn't like that, did it? It didn't like that, so we'll turn that choke tip over a touch more. So there we go. Let me open this door a bit, folks. So there we go, that is a bhx2500 Makita 4-stroke blower done, which that took all of about 5 minutes to diagnose. But obviously when sometimes people are in a rush, etc., you know, that's all it is. So we'll pop the cover back on and just see what it runs like. You don't need, obviously you don't need your choke on now, as it's been running. Turn it on. Oh. Let's get out and swing. So we didn't like it that way. Okay. There we have it, folks. Woo. So obviously that's running hot, that. Let me so There we go. So folks, that's it for today. So that is another one completed, and that'll be another happy gardener. So thanks for tuning in, folks, and don't forget, if you do like the channel, and you do like the content, please consider going over and subscribing. Anything you want to know about my previous videos, just drop me a message on the comments or my email. And thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Stay safe. God bless.
Thanks for watching Rob's Small Engine Repairs. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.